Alright, BONK price prediction. You guys requested this one. We're gonna analyze this coin in this video. Can it 10x? Can it make 20x? What is the price predictions? What are the buying zones? What is the technical analysis finally? We're gonna cover everything in this video. So let's just get into it. Currently we have a price of 2100 around here, and I really like this price action because we are at the lowest Fibonacci level, 0.236 right here. And in a bull market for really sensitive altcoins, low cap altcoins, this level tend to be one of the lowest. So it's a really great level to accumulate your coin, whatever that is. In this scenario, this is BONK, and I like the price action because if you look at the chart here, we have like low, higher low, and higher low, and you can tell that those in this level 0.236 people are accumulating this coin right here, and the longer we go into accumulation phase, the higher the price is going. So we have lower highs, we have higher lows, so it means the price is being that there's a bigger demand each time. So that's a really good sign, and I think this zone is really good for accumulating. But the Bitcoin is going sideways right now. Bitcoin is in accumulation zone, so if BTC is gonna go down into higher correction, it means that we can actually break down from this triangle. I drew this triangle right here, and this is kind of like a support line here, but if Bitcoin is gonna crash, that means we can like break down and maybe probably tap this level again, like retest this level right here. And if Bitcoin correction is gonna be bigger, then we can eventually break this level, and the next level, I think the lowest will be right here around like 1500, something like that. So I would accumulate this coin at this band right here, at this level right here, if Bitcoin's gonna continue crashing, or all the way down here. So the average purchase could be around here in the worst scenario. So that means that if my average purchase level will be by here, and if we bounce back to previous all-time high, that's like 3x. That's 200, almost 200% of profit. And if you're looking for some levels to sell, I think buying right now is a good chance, because a good opportunity. But we should not use all of our credits. We should leave something just in case we're gonna go down. But even from this level, I think the previous all-time high is a great level to take profits. 1618 is also a great profit at 225% of profit approximately, and number 2 of Fibonacci retracement level, it's approximately 300% of profit. So those are 3 levels I would be interested in taking profits if we're gonna continue with BONK going high. But that really depends on what Bitcoin's gonna do in this movement. So let's take a look at CoinGecko. So BONK right now has a market cap of $1.4 billion, and we're currently on the place 81, on the spot 81 on CoinGecko. That means that if we wanna 10x, if you feel like, oh, BONK, if you're betting on BONK doing 10x from now, that means we would be right here, right behind Shiba Inu, on the 14th place right here. So if you think that it's possible for BONK to get to 14th place, then it should 10x. What about 20x? If we were about to 20x, we would be around 9th place. We would probably replace Doge, or we would replace Coin on a top 10. So we would have gotten into top 10 on CoinGecko if we are to 20x. But also I really expect the whole market, BTC, Ethereum, and the whole market to probably double, maybe triple. So that 20x, 10x could be actually 40 or 20, 40 or even more. So you just have to answer yourself that question. Is it worth to hold that coin and count if it's gonna go to top 10? Guys, there's not many spots here, and you have to remember that there's gonna be just a few projects that's gonna get into top 10. So if you think it's gonna be bonk, that's on your responsibility. Okay, for me, it's better to take profits along the way up and move it into BTC that's gonna double or triple. So even if I make stupid 5x on bonk, that means I can double it or triple on BTC or Ethereum, depending on the dominance. Okay, so that's just a safer bet for me. So talking about those levels right here, 0, 2, 3, 6 Fibonacci retracement level, if we're gonna break this support line here, I think this is where we're gonna stop and continue going up, of course depending what BTC is gonna do. But this level, that level right here, and that level right here is where I would put my limit orders, and you can do it. You can actually do it on Bybit. There's a link in the description and below. If you want to support my channel, you can use that link and trade on Bybit. So what you do, for example, the first limit order is, I would just put it at 1900. So what you do on the right side, you put 19 here, and for example, whatever you trade with, I would just put $10,000, and you just click buy, and it's gonna automatically buy it for you when the price goes down, because it happens really quickly. Sometimes it happens in minutes, seconds, and you have no chance to react to catch such a great price. So that's why I love order limits so much. And you can put another price at around 16 and another one around 14 and a half or something. So I would put just like 3 limit orders and wait, of course, for those who are interested in investing in bonk. Okay, I'm not saying we're gonna get there, but if we do, if you have some stable coins or some cash repaired, so you can set up some limit orders, it's gonna be really beneficial for you. So this is where I would buy. I think now it's pretty nice price to make some order. Maybe not big, maybe not huge, but maybe something. But if the more we go down, I think you can increase the your orders. Of course, it's not financial advice. Remember guys, everything in this video is not financial advice. It's just for entertainment purposes and educational purposes, of course. All right, let's just get back into CoinGecko. Let's get back to number 80. It was 81, 80. And I want to show you something that I like about bonk, which is comparing the price with BTC. So you can see here we are at this price right here, but if we compare it with BTC, actually Bitcoin is outperforming bonk a little bit, which is great. That means, so you see this line, the blue line is actually below all the time, and now we're up. That means that bonk is undervalued against BTC, which is really good. So you can actually buy some bonk and use it in order to multiply your BTC. So what you do is that when this is gonna go up and outperform Bitcoin, then you take your profits into BTC, and this is how you grow. This is how you use the dominance. And to show you more about that, we just have to go into altcoin season. So as you can see, we're on the uptrend right here, and I like the moment where we are right now. I'm actually thinking we may continue going down, but this moment is for sure a good moment to start accumulating altcoins. Maybe not in a huge chunk, maybe just in a few percent, but it's definitely a good moment in my opinion. And the other thing we have to look at is Bitcoin dominance chart. And as I told you before, we just broke really strong resistance right here. We're testing it, and we're probably gonna go up. And if Bitcoin dominance is gonna go to in my opinion, 57 up to 62%. This is the top. I think for me, this is the absolute top. Some people think we may go even higher than 73%, but I don't think so. I think the crypto market, the whole industry grew so much over the years. There's so many great projects everywhere. There's so much capital everywhere. And I don't think the BTC can outperform the whole market so much like it used to years before, because we were higher, like guys, we were like around 90% here, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I think the absolute top could be here. So if the dominance is gonna continue here, but all you have to do here is at this zone is accumulating altcoins. That's what I would do. And that's what I'm gonna do. So the higher we go in this chart, the more altcoins I'm gonna I'm gonna lower the exposure on BTC, and I'm gonna increase the exposure on alts. Okay, I hope that's clear for you. So if we go into dominance on the dominance chart high here, that means on this chart we're gonna go into Bitcoin season, and into Bitcoin season, when this chart is showing the levels, the lowest levels here, this is where you buy altcoins. When we're up here higher into altcoin season, this is where you're selling your altcoins. You're using that dominance chart and you're selling your altcoins into BTC, and this is how you swing trade, and this is how you accumulate more BTC, and this is how you sell your BTC into stable coins, into US dollar, and this is how you swing trade to make more money. I hope that's clear for you guys. Also, another thing I want to mention is that fear and greed index, it's so important, guys. Like, some people just use this index, and when it shows extreme fear, they just buy. When it shows extreme greed, they just sell. Like, sometimes it's really that simple. It's obviously not that simple. So I really recommend you click subscribe button, follow me, because I'm gonna be covering it every single day, and the market is really dynamic, and you need to be updated every day. So if you like the content, just make sure you subscribe, and you can support my channel. You can like this video, you can comment. If you have any questions, you can send me a message on Telegram. It's gonna be in the description. So if you have any questions, just don't hesitate to leave them down below. So we've been in extreme greed for a while, and I've been telling you I want to see it on the left side. I want to see fear, or ideally extreme fear, on the left side here. And when I see it, I'm just gonna purchase, and I'm gonna probably purchase altcoins, not Bitcoin, because we're gonna probably go down on this chart here, and if we're here and if we have extreme fear, this is where you buy altcoins. If we're up here and extreme fear right here on the left, I would buy Bitcoin. Okay, so I hope that's clear for you. And yeah, let's just take a look at the Bitcoin situation. Lastly, I told you guys that we're gonna have a little accumulation zone here. It takes some time. It takes some time for the whales to drop their backs, because we're high. Like, look how high those are the moving averages. Look how high we went up, and we've been here for a while. And you know why it happens? It happens because whales and big players, they need time to sell. They cannot sell all their bags in like one time, because it would push the price all the way down, so it doesn't make sense. So they need a little bit of time, and they need to sell gradually, slowly. And what happens when the price is high, there's so much positive news around social media, around the news, and the new people are coming, and they're buying here. There's a lot of people from the street buying right now at the probably worst moment right now, because we're so high. Look at the RSI, we're so overbought. Look at the moving average, we're so high. Like, it's for long-term investing, it's the worst moment to purchase. Okay, like I understand that we can go over 100k, we can go over 200 in a couple of years, but like guys, we were gonna go down sooner or later, because like look at the difference. Even if you go to 100, let's assume like a safe bet that we're gonna go to 100k, right? So from this price, if you go to 100, that's only 42% of profit, and then you have to pay tax on that. So it's not much. But if we're gonna continue the correction mode, and if we're gonna go to like this level 618, and we're gonna go up to 100k, that's 100%. Do you understand? So you don't make profit up here, you make all the profit down there. Like the lower you get your purchases, the better, the more percent that you can make. So you have to understand that you don't make money on the way up, you make money on the way down. Because as Warren Buffett said, every minus 50%, so every 50% correction means you have to make 100% to get everything back. Okay, but if you buy assets on a minus 50% discount, then when it bounces back all the way back, you can make 100%. That's the most important rule in trading and investing. Okay, so I hope you understand that. I hope that's clear. And there's no better indicator than fear and greed index, in my opinion, in crypto. And when it shows fear, extreme fear, this is the time that you can think about getting into the market. All right, I think this is everything that I wanted to include. I hope you like it. I just started my channel. We actually just hit 500 subscribers, and thank you so much. Thank you to all of you. And you can actually help me grow my channel. You can click subscribe, you can like this video, you can comment down below if you liked. If you have any question, don't hesitate to send me a message on Telegram, Instagram, whatever. Leave the comment down below. And yeah, thank you so much, and see you in the next video.